So, you're looking for a YouTube alternative, but don't know where to turn, and you want a platform that you could actually monetize. Well, I'm going to go over 3 platforms that you could use to make money that are similar to YouTube, but aren't exactly the same, okay? We're going to start off with my favorite one and the one I've actually used the most, and that is Odyssey/Library. This is a blockchain-based platform that you can use to upload videos and earn money. Today, I would want to say I've earned a couple $1,000s on this platform over the past few years, okay? I am not huge on this platform by any stretch of the imagination. I have about 426 followers. I've have a ton of videos out on here that were just synced from YouTube. That's a great feature that you could use on this platform. If you already have a YouTube channel, you could sync your content to this platform, and that's a great way to save you a ton of time. The way it works is a little bit complicated, but basically you upload videos and people will upvote or donate library credits to your videos, and that will help bump it in the search algorithm, okay? That's one way to do it. You could also repost your old videos, and it's kind of like staking the library credits in the videos. So if I wanted to repost John McAfee, What Happened, I could go here and I could hit support, and you could basically boost this repost with some of your existing library credits, okay? Now, if you did want to sign up for this platform, I will have a link in the description that I believe you'll get a bonus to start off with. I think you get like some free library credits if you use my link, but don't quote me on that. Pretty sure that's how it works. And yeah, this is a great platform. It's a little bit difficult to actually turn your credits into cash, because what you'll have to do is convert your library credits into Ethereum, and then convert that Ethereum into US dollar. Or you can keep it in Ethereum if you want to keep it all in crypto, or keep it all in library credits, right? The thing about this platform is the less you sell your library credits, the more you're rewarded, because you could use those library credits to actually boost your content in the algorithm, okay? So that's one way to do it. Again, I'm not huge on the platform, but if you don't want to follow me over there, Naughty Investor, I have a couple different channels over there, and this is probably my favorite YouTube alternative. And the next one is Rumble. I don't actually use this one too often. I think I have an account. I don't think I've actually made any money on this because I don't really upload on it very often, but this is a very interesting one. This one, as far as monetization goes, works a lot with like licensing. You can actually like license your videos to them, and they will give you a cut of how much it earns. So you can see these videos right here: $15 earned, $10 earned, $8 earned. This platform, I think, will do very well if you're trying to make viral content, videos that are only a couple minutes or a couple seconds long. I think this is a great platform for that, because they will license it for you, they will distribute it for you, and they will get it out there for you, okay? This is a growing platform, much like Odyssey/Library, and I think it's only going to get better over time. Now, the last one I have is Minds.com. This one I haven't really made much money on. I don't really, as you can see, my last upload was July 2nd. I don't really upload on this platform very often, but you can earn some money. You could see I've gotten a total of almost 14,000 views, only have 9 subscribers, so I'm not huge on this platform by any means. But yeah, you could upload videos on here. It's mainly used as like a Twitter alternative, but again, they do have video option, and you will earn money through people donating to your videos, or to you rather, and you will earn Minds. I think they're called Minds tokens or Minds coins. But yeah, these are 3 YouTube alternatives that are monetizable if you know what you're doing. Definitely check them out. And again, my favorite one, Odyssey, if you want to sign up, use my link in the description. You'll get a bonus, I'm pretty sure. And make sure you subscribe to this channel, leave a like, subscribe, share it. Helps my content get out there, helps it in the algorithm, and I will catch you next time. Have a great day.